Hi all, I'm delighted to say I've finally got the YouTube award for surpassing 100,000 subscribers. So the silver button award here. There was a covering letter. I'm not going to read you it all. I think I can put it as a link if you want to see what's in the covering letter. It's a pretty standard one, I believe. I've really enjoyed doing the channel. I still really enjoy doing the channel. I enjoy chess immensely still. All forms of chess, bullet chess, correspondence style chess. I'm playing thousands of you at Chess World. If you want to invite me for a game there, Kingscrusher TV or bit.ly/Chess World. Great credit to Magnus. He was one of my Chess World members who introduced me to how to do videos. So without him, I wouldn't have really started the channel. So the channel was really initially just to help promote Chess World, but I really fell in love with it in its own right. And it's just been a fantastic journey. I hope you've really enjoyed a lot of my playlists. I know many of you liked, for example, my daily blitz when I was doing those. And I'm doing some blitz on Sunday still. I do streaming in the evening if you want to follow me, by the way, at Twitch TV Kingscrusher. I do lots of answers recently, question and answering. I quite like Quora recently. If you want to check out Trifon Gavra on Quora, I'll give that as a link in the description. So anyway, this fantastic milestone finally it's arrived today, and I really just think it's been a fantastic experience. I want to thank everyone that's supported me throughout my journey. So my chess friends, Costas Karyonis, Alex Eflontis, Paul Georgiou, they've been my major crew throughout my over the board and a lot of tournaments we used to go together, picking up valuable experience. My chess clubs generally, Barnet, Muswell Hill, and all the people there, that helped me improve my chess and understanding, and just chess as a social game as well. And online chess experiences, we've got fantastic sites which are serving the chess community at the moment and helping to grow the community, catapulting it into new record numbers online. So it is a really fantastic time for chess and everyone involved. I think let's keep promoting the game and doing those videos. Those that can do entertaining or interesting or funny videos, please do them. And let's keep growing the chess community. Okay. Comments, questions, likes, shares, subscribes with the notification bell. Really appreciate it. Thanks very much.